Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. MTEN Fiberglass Paddle. The Selkirk Sport SLK Halo Raw Carbon Fiber Pickleball Paddle is a high-performance paddle designed for players seeking advanced technology and customizable options. Crafted with premium materials, the SLK Halo series offers 3 distinct paddle configurations, each tailored to different playing styles: T700 Raw Carbon Fiber Power, 18K Ultra Weave Control, and Kevlar Linkweave Thermoformed Pro. The T700 Raw Carbon Fiber Power option is ideal for players who want maximum power in their shots. It combines the strength of T700 carbon fiber with a lightweight design, providing a powerful response while maintaining control during play. The 18K Ultra Weave Control paddle offers exceptional ball control and precision with its unique weave, allowing for better feel and touch on the ball. This option is perfect for players who prefer a controlled, finesse-based game. For those seeking a combination of power and durability, the Kevlar Linkweave Thermoformed Pro paddle features Kevlar-infused technology, offering added stiffness and shock absorption, making it ideal for high-performance play and long-lasting use. All paddles in the SLK Halo series are designed with a raw carbon fiber face, providing excellent ball spin and a more consistent sweet spot. These paddles are also known for their comfortable grip, which minimizes vibration and ensures a secure hold during intense gameplay. As part of the Selkirk Sport brand, these paddles are designed in the USA, offering premium craftsmanship and cutting-edge innovation for serious pickleball players. Overall, the Selkirk Sport SLK Halo Raw Carbon Fiber Pickleball Paddle is a top choice for players who demand performance, customization, and durability from their equipment. Number 2. Selkirk Latitude. The pickleball paddle set with USAPA-approved fiberglass surface is a high-quality pickleball racket set designed for both men and women, offering an excellent balance of performance, durability, and comfort. This set includes 2 paddles, making it perfect for doubles play or as a starter kit for beginners and experienced players alike. The paddles feature a fiberglass surface, which provides superior ball control and a larger sweet spot, allowing players to make more consistent and accurate shots. The USAPA approval ensures that these paddles meet the standards for official tournament play, so they are suitable for both casual games and competitive matches. The paddles are designed with lightweight materials, which reduce strain during extended play and offer better maneuverability, helping players to react quickly to incoming shots. The ergonomic grip ensures a comfortable hold, minimizing vibrations and maximizing comfort even during long sessions. This makes the paddles ideal for players of all skill levels, whether you are just getting started or a seasoned pro. Additionally, the set typically includes pickleballs, ensuring that you have everything you need to get started right away. The overall design of the paddles is focused on durability, with materials that can withstand the wear and tear of regular use, ensuring long-lasting performance. Overall, the pickleball paddles set with a fiberglass surface is an excellent choice for players looking for quality, performance, and comfort in their equipment. Whether you're playing for fun or in more competitive environments, these paddles are designed to elevate your game. Number 3. Onix Z5 Graphite. The Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle offers a complete pickleball equipment package that includes 2 paddles, 3 balls, and a carrying bag, making it an excellent choice for beginners or those looking to upgrade their gear. The paddles feature a G4 graphite face combined with a polymer rev core, providing a superior balance of power and control. The G4 graphite face delivers enhanced durability, precision, and lightweight performance, while the polymer rev core enhances the paddle's playability by offering an optimal sweet spot and vibration control. These Selkirk SLK Latitude paddles are designed to maximize comfort and performance, with a grip that ensures a secure hold and reduces hand fatigue during extended gameplay. The paddles are designed for players who want to improve their skills, whether you're just starting out or looking to take your game to the next level. The bundle includes 3 pickleball balls, perfect for practice or competitive play, and a convenient carrying bag to keep your gear organized and protected. The Selkirk Latitude Pickleball Bundle is designed and engineered in the USA, guaranteeing high-quality craftsmanship and advanced technology. Whether you're playing recreationally or aiming for more serious competition, this bundle provides everything you need to enjoy the game. The combination of the Z5 Graphite face, polymer RevCore technology, and practical accessories makes the Selkirk Latitude Bundle a fantastic option for those seeking high-quality, durable, and performance-oriented pickleball equipment. Number 4. Paddletek Bantam TS5. The Onix Graphite Mod Z5 Pickleball Paddle combines graphite and carbon fiber technology to deliver an exceptional playing experience for pickleball enthusiasts of all skill levels. The paddle features a graphite face that provides precision, control, and a lightweight feel, while the carbon fiber core enhances durability and powerful ball impact. This advanced material combination ensures that players can enjoy the ideal balance of control, power, and comfort during play. One of the standout features of the Mod Z5 is its cushion comfort grip, designed to reduce hand strain and provide a secure hold during intense matches. The grip absorbs vibrations, enhancing comfort and control, especially during extended play. This makes the paddle suitable for players who want to improve their game while minimizing the risk of fatigue or discomfort. The Onix Mod Z5 is crafted to offer a large sweet spot, giving players more consistent performance even on off-center hits. Its lightweight design also allows for quick maneuverability, making it easier to react to fast shots and improve overall agility on the court. Ideal for both casual and competitive players, the Onix Graphite Mod Z5 is a versatile choice for those looking to elevate their pickleball experience. Whether you're playing for fun or in tournaments, the combination of graphite, carbon fiber, and cushion comfort grip makes the Mod Z5 a top-tier option for pickleball paddles. Number 5. Joola Essential Pickleball. The Joola Stratos or Essentials Pickleball Paddle is designed to provide beginner and recreational players with a durable, high-performance paddle that combines advanced technology and comfort. Featuring a reinforced fiberglass surface, this paddle offers a lightweight yet powerful option for players looking to improve their game. The fiberglass surface enhances ball control and provides a responsive feel, while also offering added durability for long-lasting play. The honeycomb polypropylene core is designed to deliver superior ball response, ensuring an optimal balance of power and control. This core helps to absorb shock and reduce vibrations, offering a comfortable and stable playing experience, especially for new players still refining their skills. The core's unique construction provides excellent playability, making the paddle more forgiving on off-center hits. Certified as USAPA approved, the Joola Stratos or Essentials paddle is ready for tournament play, meeting the official standards required for competitive play. This makes it a great option for players who want to transition from recreational games to more serious competition. Additionally, the paddle is designed with a comfortable grip that minimizes hand fatigue and ensures a secure hold during intense matches. The ergonomic handle provides a non-slip, cushioned feel, enhancing comfort and control during extended play. Overall, the Joola Stratos or Essentials Pickleball Paddle is an ideal choice for beginner players or anyone looking for a reliable, durable, and affordable paddle that can help improve their game. With its fiberglass surface, honeycomb core, and comfortable grip, it provides excellent performance and value.